So this is a FlexiSpot, yes. Electric standing desk, 48 by 24 inches. It has the great child lock, like child safe, I think safety for children, I might say. And it also has the USBs.
So one of the things that surprised me on this desk is wheel build. This is heavy duty, super fast. Surprised me about the memory, or in case, because it happened in my other desk, if I have something else, maybe you got something, or when you're coming down, maybe you have a chair, right? And it will hit the chair, and actually my old desk will keep going into crash it into
whatever it is there.
It will crash all the way down because it's like about 6 years old. I think back in the day they didn't have that. Yeah. So, but the new ones now, they have this safety thing. That was not aware either. One plug, so you should plug it in. And then the memories here. So you hit 4 memories, up and down. It shows top when you reach the maximum level, and then down when you reach the lowest level. And but to memorize is pretty simple. You just hit whatever number you want to hit on the high and leave it for about 3 seconds, and it goes beep beep, and that's it, done. Okay. The way I think I did it, 1 is all the way down, 4 is all the way high, and then 2 and 3 just 2 different levels. These are the main part.
Yes.
Okay. The top, the whole leg, and then the one across, right? That's the only thing you have to put it in. Is Allen keys, so it's Allen head screws.
Oh, and it comes with the tools.
Comes with the tools, and really, I mean, it's a bit of maybe 10 minutes, even if it takes half an hour. It's overkilling half an hour. I want to get this a little close to you guys so we can see right over here the control panel. Okay, so let me explain a few things here. So here we have up and down. Remember when it says top here, because you are in the top, it cannot go. It's reached the maximum level, and bottom it reached the lowest level. So we look at 28 inches to 48 inches. So this is a nice height. What is nice is about this on this top and height is if you have to do like a live streaming, if you have to show your product. So I'm on this side, and it becomes simple for me to show something to you guys from this side of the table. It looks real nice, by the way, and that from that point of view, the table looks like it's super wide, right? It looks real nice. No,
48 by 24 inches.
48 by 24. Okay, I think maybe this is standard size, but so from that looks like it's super wide. I like it. Okay, so then we have 4 memories here, and it's pretty simple to set the memory. When you have the desired high, or you're gonna hold and press that number. When you have the desired high, what you're gonna do now, you're gonna press the number. Now for resetting, by the way, to reset the unit, you're gonna press 3 and 4 in case it requires reset. Kind of what I will do is keep the instruction, and it's kind of standard because my other desks, I think they have the same code system. And by the way, here they tell you how to put that together, but in case, you know, always say that because it keep you here some, if you have an error or how to reset that. Okay, so it requires to reset, or if you have one, it's called an RTS. With the RTS, you just press it here. This is beep, goes down. You press the down key and it goes all the way down and kind of resets itself. And one here, it shows me now the lower level, so it's 28 inches and goes up about 48. So let me go all the way to the top. Okay, so I'm gonna press number 4. Number 4, if I memorize this right, should go all the way up. It goes up pretty fast. So let's go all the way up. So right now the highest it can go is total. It says top. By the way, after reach the highest, you're gonna see top, and the bottom you see bottom. And if I press a little bit down, so it came a little bit, it's 47.5 or actually 48. One of the things we get here, we get the USB type C. Now also it has a lock thing. So if I press here, I press that right now, you hear a little beep and then lock. So what happened here now, no matter what I press, it stays in place, and that's the idea for the kids. Okay. So that way they not change it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the lock out, and I'm going to rememorize this high. So I'm going to press the number 4, and I'm going to leave it for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, a blink, and that's it. So now I memorize that. So in this case, I'm going to set it somewhere here. I'm going to press 3 seconds, and that's it. Level 3 is memorized there. Now let's go down again, and And you're going to press 1, and that should go all the way down, as you see right here. Okay, so 28 inches. Okay, right there. Let's see if it's true. I have memory for true. If not, I'm going to press it. Okay, so memory. Okay, true is memory. Let's see where it goes up. Meaning, what other colors? So we have this one, the wood color, white.
You know what? I love this fat, guys, because you have with the legs white or black. You get to choose that. Not only that, but the top is super nice and bamboo finishing. I like it because it's very natural, very earthy looking, and I think it's absolutely beautiful and very relaxing when you have to study and work on your desk throughout the day.
By the way, it has a 4 on the legs, and you can adjust it in case the level of the floor maybe it's not super level, so it allow you to adjust that as well. Here we didn't have to. It's perfect, the floor, but in case you put in a place where it's uneven, you can adjust the legs as well, and it's pretty simple. And another thing I can show you there, it has this real nice drawer. Let me get this off the camera a little bit so you guys can see right there. Okay, so this thing has a nice drawer, heavy duty too, as you see here. Check this out. Okay, height of the drawer, I think it's about maybe inch and a half, I think. Maybe inch and a half of how deep the drawer is. Right there, so you have an idea. You see that? You have an idea how deep and I have a tablet here. So, put the tablet there, so you guys can have a basic idea, right? How big it is. And this, I think it's a 13 inches laptop, and that fits perfect there, right? So in this case, just let's check this out. And this is check this out. Let's see, I was right. 1.5 inches. Wow, that's how deep the drawer is. All right, 1.5 inches.
It has anti-collision function. The anti-collision function ensures safety by preventing the desktop from being damaged or crashing other objects and devices while in motion.
So I guess it has to get the what it is. It's, I guess, when it hits something, when it gets the issue that we have all the time. Yeah. So if I hold it, it's not going to do anything. It has to hit something. It has to go and do the little hit kind of thing. One. Okay.
Quick and smooth adjustment.
Yeah, you see that? You see that? Watch this. Okay. Because technically what happened is, when it comes down and hits something, you see, so one thing is holding it. If I say here, the hand is not it's going to try to come down because I'm holding it. Yeah, okay, it has some type of motion sensor or something. I don't know, something that feels it. So watch this again. I'm going to go back again. One. You got to press it like 2 times to get it. And I just didn't hit it much. Of just a little bit. I love it. I love it. So in case you just put something there, so when it's coming down, boom, it's going to hit it, and automatically it's going to stop, because they're pretty powerful, the motors, and because it has a crank and everything. So really, on the
very smooth and quiet also.
Yes, and all the desks will just, we almost crashed on few chairs. Other one, if I leave the
chairs.